Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Mishra and today we'll be performing some wonderful science experiments. So let's get started. Our first experiment is magic milk and the materials required are a dish, half cup of milk, earbud, dropper, 2 food colors which I have prepared and a liquid soap. Pour a half cup of milk in a dish. Now you just have to add few drops of color to the milk. I'm adding my favorite colors here. Now take a earbud and dip it in the liquid soap. Take a earbud and dip its tip in the color and observe what happens. Students, why this magic happened? Do you want to know? Let us understand the principle behind it. Milk is made up of minerals, proteins and fats. When the dish soap enters the milk, the fat begins to break up and soap molecules run around, try to get attached to the fat molecules in the milk. This process is invisible, but when we add color to the milk, you can clearly see the process. The name of our second experiment is Fun with Skittles. Now, let us have a look for the materials. A medium-sized dish, a packet of Skittle, and a glass of warm water. Let's start with the procedure. Now, you just have to arrange the Skittles in a circular manner. Pour about quarter glass of water into the center of the plate. You have to wait for some time and you have to observe the plate. Let us understand the principle of this experiment. The color on gems have little space. So when we pour water at the center of the plate, the color of the gem starts moving from higher concentration area to the lower concentration area. And we see these colorful patterns on the plate. This process is known as diffusion. The name of our third experiment is lava lamp. Let us understand what all materials are needed for lava lamp. A glass of oil, a transparent glass, baking soda, some food color and vinegar. Let's start with the procedure. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and add it to the glass. Now you have to add oil to it. This is vinegar. You have to add few drops of vinegar to the food color. Just mix it well. Now add this solution to the glass. Let us understand the principle of lava line. Oil is lighter than water and it floats on the water. When we add baking soda to it, it dissolves in water and produces carbon dioxide and releases bubble, which brings color water on the top. When air comes out of the colored water, the water gets heavy and it sinks down. This step is repeated again and again until the baking soda is dissolved.